All right, quickly, let's check the question. All right, solution. The question says x minus 8 root x plus 15 equal to 0. So we should find a solution of the equation. So quickly, let's go. The first thing you do is say let n equal to root x, which implies n square equal to x. If n is equals to root x, implies that n square is equals to s. Because when you take the square of both sides, the square will take away the square root. You're left with what? X. And the n will be square. Right. So what you do next is what? Impute n square equal to x into the equation. So quickly, you have where you see x, you put n square minus 8. Where you see root x, you put n. And where 15 remains here, equal to 0. So we have formed a quadratic equation without radicals. Okay? Because there's a radical here. So we have formed an equation where there's no radical. So we need to what? Solve this quadratic equation. So we can solve this by factorization or by completing the square or by the formula method. But let's use factorization. So what are the factors of 15? Then when you add it or subtract, it will give you minus 8. And when you multiply the two factors, it will give you 15. So the two factors here is 3 and 5. Minus 3 times minus 5 will give me plus 15. Minus 3 minus 5 will give me minus 8. So we are replacing this minus 8n by minus 5n minus 3n. So here we have n squared minus 5n minus 3n plus 15 equal to 0. All right. So if you cannot easily get the factors, what you do is list out the factors of 15 and look for within the factors two numbers, and when you add it up, it will give you minus 8n. When you multiply it, it will give you 15. Okay, so let's go. So let's factorize this by grouping. These two, n is common. Factor out n. What is remaining here? N. N squared divided by n will give us n. 5n divided by n will give us 5. So here will be minus 3 is common. So here will be n. 15 divided by minus 3 will give us minus 5 equal to 0. So we are factorized now. So we have n minus 3 bracket n minus 5 equal to 0. All right, you factor out n minus 5. So here now you have that n minus 3 equal to 0 or n minus 5 equal to 0. So therefore, n is equal to 3 or n equal to 5. So we have gotten the two values, but record I will say that n is equal to root x and n squared is equal to what? X. So what you do next here, let's go this way. So what do you do now? You say when n equal to 3, we have that n squared equal to x. So where you see n, you put 3. You have 3 squared equal to x. So therefore, x is equal to 9, right? Or we'll go for the second one when n is equal to 5. So we have 5 squared equal to The x is here, so have that x. Therefore, x is equal to what? 25. So finally, x is equal to 9 or 25. Thank you for watching. Tune in for more videos. If you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe. We are here to serve you in mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.